There are several ways to make money on Telegram, and one way is to grow and sell Telegram channels or groups. Based on the feedback received on our previous video, how to make money on Telegram, I decided to make this video to help you know how and where to sell your Telegram channel and make money. In this video, I'll teach you simple ways to package your Telegram channel or account for the best price and make money. You'll also get to know some of the best places to sell your channel. Watch this video to the end, as I'll also show you some different ways to make money with Telegram if you don't want to sell your account. I want to assume that you already have a channel. If you don't have, you can get one now. Download the Telegram app on your phone and sign up. It is that simple. The next step is to make sure your channel is attractive to buyers. People focus only on the channel membership, but wait, even to gain genuine members, you need to make sure your channel has a good name and description, a nice profile picture, and optimized keywords. A good name and description to your channel helps you grow in terms of search engine optimization. This helps you grow organically. Some simple ways to grow your Telegram channel include sharing with friends and family, promoting on social media, cross-promoting on other channels, paid advertisement, buying of membership. After getting all these done, how do you sell your channel? One of the best places you can sell your channel is Telega. I have a link in the video description for you to check out. It is a platform that connects channel owners and businesses. It helps businesses find the target audience in Telegram and launch effective advertising campaigns. If you have a channel and you want to sell, you can sign up and place your channel up for sale for a good price. One other good way to make money on Telega is to run ads on your channel instead of selling your channel. You can build a whole business out of this platform. You can start up as an advertising agency, advertise for businesses on Telega, and make money. There are other places as well that you can sell your channel. You can just search in Telegram, sell channel, and you find lots of channel that run this kind of service. Remember, selling your channel is not the only means to make money on Telegram. You can also consider selling your services and products. Whether you are an affiliate seller or you have your own brand, you can always promote products and services to a large audience registered on Telegram and get new clients via social media platform. It's basically the same as running social media ads, but you have much higher engagement rate. The view rate on Telegram can be around 30%, while it's lower than 10% on other social platforms. Telegram is a content-oriented platform, so to be on top of the business, you need to think about the needs of your users and give top-notch content to please them. As a bonus, your followers get constant notifications on your updates by default. No need to set up notifications manually in the app. It means users won't miss your offers, news, updates, discounts, and more. Of course, the more members you have in the channel, the higher chances you have to get new clients online and make money on Telegram. Don't forget, Telegram is a new marketing tool, and there is a solid chance to face a lower level of competition. You can even automate the sales process with bots. Telegram bots can help you make money with fewer efforts. So these are ways you can make money on Telegram by selling products and services. Other way to make money on Telegram is selling ads. You can post ads and you get paid. There are so many groups that allow you to do this. And if you've grown your Telegram channel, you can also do this. You sell ads. If you have more than 50,000 members, you can easily sell any promotional post with links to other Telegram owners. And this Telega.io helps in doing this. You can sell ads on Telega.io. Just check in the video description for link and sign up. Usually, the price for advertisement depends on a few factors: duration of promo and number of channel members. Prices can range somewhere between 1 to 48 hours long promo publications. The shorter time, the small price, the smaller effect for the client. Most Telegram channel or group owners aim for 24 hours long publications. So it's better to make your price, this duration, the most attractive, so you can sell ads to businesses and make money. So it is not only about selling your channel, but it's making money from your channel, and this is another option for making money off Telegram. And then you can also offer paid subscription. Sell the access to premium or valuable content to your users. Remember, value is what we're talking about here. Once you provide value to your users or members on the channel, they'll be ready to pay for that value. It usually works that way. You have a public channel to get a large base of followers and a private channel with premium content. Access to the private channel is allowed by the special link to members who pay subscription fee regularly. This way, you can charge people monthly and get a constant source of income. This is what we aim at here at Earn with Penny, getting extra money. Any chance you get, you need to hop on it. So many people offer paid subscriptions in education, in forex trading, so many areas that you can make money by offering paid subscriptions. Check in the video description. Click on the link to check out Telega.io and start making money from Telegram. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of such videos. Remember to also check out on other videos from our channel, Earn with Penny. Thank you for watching.